Okay, this is Rue de Paris, and then this is the crosswalk. So what we're gonna do is follow this Rue de Paris all the way down, and just to give you a little, I'll tell you all about it, and I'll show you what's around here as well in a minute. So, but actually, this is the focus right there, Rue de Paris. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are, Rue de Paris. I'm just going to give you a little bit of reference to exactly where we are. This is an area called Zape or Nape. Zape or Nape. And this is Rue de Paris. It's kind of cool. Go straight down that way, and then I'll give you a reference to exactly what's behind us, which is Sands Casino. So Sands Casino is on one end, and then the other end is I think it's either going to be it's also a couple casinos too. It's going to be MGM, and there's another one as well. So there's two giant casinos. We're going to walk directly towards it, and I'll definitely tell you in a minute. So this little area, there's this crosswalk is Avenida Shanghai, but this is Rue de Paris, Rue de Brussels from Belgium, and then Rue de London, the UK. So what we're gonna do is just follow this street and kind of focus on whatever we see on the street of Paris. I'll just kind of show you some of these apartment buildings are kind of interesting as well if you focus on them. There's a Vietnamese restaurant as well called Rue de Paris, France, and I will cut to that one if I remember, because I filmed it a minute ago already. Okay. So you got Vietnam Paris, and they got pho. Let's just see what the menu looks like here. Huh. Okay. I really like Vietnamese food a lot, so I might have to go over there again. Grand Lapa Casino. And so here we go. We're gonna see what's around. There's a therapy shop. See a lot of real estate in this area as well. Here's a residential court, Mercury Court, for people to have apartments. Let's just see. If you do pay for parking, this is how you do it. It's kind of a cool looking car. Don't like my driving, go K your stuff. Baby on board, written in Chinese. A lot of things are always translated, right? I mean, there's international language for driving. Baby on board, if you don't like my driving. Whether it's English or Chinese, I guess. Okay, so this is Rue de Paris. There's fruits and vegetable shop. It says Sun Source with 2 C's. Source is spelled with 2 C's. Rethink Coffee. Looks like a cool place. Hello. How are you doing? Oh! I'll turn this off. How are you guys doing? Okay, so we're gonna continue on. Those are some, I know that family, so good friends with their dad. So I had to stop to say hi for a little bit. Told them about the channel. I think their dad knows already, but Lavandaria Cafe Lab. There's some kind of cool coffee shops around here. Weston too. Lost, so okay. Violet Court of Violet. So there's a lot of courts. These courtyards are for apartment residential places. Here's where you can get your real estate here, buying or selling. Lux. So kind of a nice brand, and here's a bakery. Macau's love at first bite. Okay, let's see. Okay, I got a Vietnamese hat. Actually kind of fits with the theme because Vietnam and well, I won't go into but there's a Vietnamese restaurant, so Vietnam and France. When you're in Asia for a long time, you see a connection between the two. Okay, here's some street signs again. We're just gonna keep walking across the street, following Rue de Paris. There's another hair salon of the same name as the other one. This is actually cafe. It's kind of written in the French way. It's kind of cool. Then you got this, you can sit outside and eat in this space. It's kind of cool as well. A lot of cafes here. Macau student offer. Okay. So let's see. Plastic surgery. So straight ahead in that red sign, there's a plastic surgery with a woman that just came out, nurse. So, okay. Another edificio. I think edificio is office buildings. There's another Japanese restaurant. Beauty shop. eBay. Straight ahead, I believe is Wynn Casino. So I think the one we're gonna come to is Wynn Casino. I like that meat. It's pretty good. Okay, so let's keep on going down. Hola. It's a Portuguese, it says honey from Portugal. So it's a honey shop that focuses all in from Portugal. Portuguese honey. I didn't know that Portugal had honey. So now we're kind of walking down kind of an empty stretch of Rue de Paris. Got all these motorbikes, right? So there's always parking for motorbikes as well. And I believe that Rue de Paris keeps going, and there's this nice beautiful park. But I don't know if I'm gonna walk all the way down, but at least you got a taste for Rue de Paris. If you do want to see the other part, I'll definitely go down there as well. But I don't want my videos to be super long, so but you can kind of see like this one building at the end, and there's some statues that looks kind of a little bit Parisian, but it has a totally different name. And then there's this beautiful park right here too, which you can't get in very easily because of COVID. You have to test, and then I think you can only come in certain spaces. Anyways, we're gonna end it for this one for Rue de Paris.